The first thing I advise all people that are moving to the United States is sanitize your assets, because we will tax global in the United States once you become a resident, and we use historical basis. So we walk prospective clients through the substantial presence test and the green card test, because a lot of people that move to the United States move here on green cards. So we will automatically, on that initial consult, analyze and determine immediately the residency status of everybody that we're dealing with. Because again, residents are taxed on worldwide income. Non-resident aliens in the United States are taxed only on US source income. So it's super important, and probably the most important thing from the get-go is to determine the residency status of the individual you're dealing with, which could also be determined by the visa status that those individuals enter the United States on. So it's very important to get all your facts up front before you jump on that call to be able to advise accordingly, because we want to make sure we do a thorough walkthrough with every single person out there. By the time the individual becomes a client, we're already well into their return process. We know everything about them. We have every fact about them that we need to guide them accordingly and make sure we have all the documentation that we require to finalize the return. You know, one of those important pieces of documentation is the use of our client organizer. We have a 3-page checklist that we walk through with new clients. And the answers to those checklists are super important because they're really designed, the checklist is really designed to flush out areas that we're unaware of or things that are irrelevant to the filing of their returns. So we really cover everything A to Z. Rest assured that any client of Protax Consulting receives thorough, comprehensive tax compliance and consulting, because the reality is this: we are only as good as the last client that we've handled, and our reputation has to be paramount in the marketplace. We've been told by people that have been referred to us, foreign CPA firms, chartered accountancy firms, that our reputation in the United States for handling both U.S. expatriates and foreign nationals, we are the #1 rated global mobility tax services firm in the nation today. And we're so proud of that accomplishment.